What you feed on your mind becomes your reality. The power of deep desire. Okay. So, yung deep desire mo ay yun yung makakatulong para makita mo yung proseso na kung ano yung ginagawa mo. It's either what you feed on your mind. Either positive mo yan or negative. Ngayon, sa state ng mind mo na meron ka, ang meron pa niyan ngayon ay nagtatalo pa yung current situation na meron kang minold sa utak mo na image dati na hindi mo pa makita. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo pa naman talaga napipicture out yung goal na gusto mo. Yung beliefs and your behaviors are correlates to your deeper feeling and your deepest desire. Ngayon, once na ito-turn mo yung image or your something, your goal, the target within your mind, consciously, your present negative thoughts na meron sa utak mo, your present negative beliefs, turn mo into something deeper why, deeper feeling, the new thoughts and ideas that will come up, your reality. Hindi mo na masyadong ipipicture out yung mga circumstances na makakapagpa-slow in progress sa'yo. Yung mga hindrances na napoproject mo when it comes to your journey into your process, ang magiging sandalan mo parati ay yung end goal mo. Dun sa end goal mo na yon, parating sinasabi mo sa utak mo, gagana to. Will make it happen. Okay? Gagana siya. Ganun mo siya i-feed parati. Alam mo, gagana siya. Kasi bakit? Nakikita mo na end goal. Ganun mo ngayon i-deep root yung power ng deep desire mo. Okay, next. Sa utak mo, meron kang automatic mechanism. Your automatic mechanism, it could be your failure mechanism or your success mechanism. It depends sa kung ano yung finifeed mo sa utak mo. Paano mo kausapin yung sarili mo? Paano mo makita yung mga bagay kung ikaw ba ay looking for out the possibilities para isolve your problems. Kung nakikita mo ba ang problems as opportunities, pessimistic person ka ba or a optimistic person? Pero dapat balance. Okay? Dapat mabalanse mo siya. Meron ngang quote or sabi nga ni Emily Coe, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but nalagay lang dito dun sa nabasa ko. Always think of what you have to do as easy and it'll become so. So the more you think into something, the more you see the possibilities, the outcome to solve it. Meron nga akong maire-rely dito na kung paano isipin ng isang tao o kung paano mag-isip ang tao para sa sarili niya into his deeper feeling. Yun siya. So babatuhin ka ulit na kung paano mo makita yung sarili mo. Are you going towards your end goal? Kasi kapag papunta ka doon sa napipicture out or navivision mo na end goal mo, you're going against the nature again. You're going against the nature again and again and again. Kasi bakit? Yung dating mga beliefs, thoughts, feelings, and environment na nandito na doctrine, kumbaga, na install within this vehicle, babaguhin mo. So hindi ka naman na makakapag-build kung built na. Kailangan i-destroy mo ulit. Diba? Mag-uninstall ka ng mga programs and then you're going to install something new. Para yun yung maging well-maintained, well-balanced vehicle na meron ka ngayon. So, the more you maintain your vehicle, what you feed na data, na system, yun yung magdidictate kung gaano ka makakapunta sa desired destination mo. Huwag makalimutan yung speed. Okay? Kailangan speed. Speed is everything. Show up every day. Yan. Yan parati. So, input to your mind, okay? Na wala talagang makakaintindi sa'yo when it comes to your new mindset, new mentality, and the competence na mayroon ka parati. Okay? Catch up, man.